actually have the 918 that we previously done in satin, and what we're about to do now is introduce Tyler. Hey Tyler, this is the sales manager at Toyz Autoart, and
We've seen him before.
we've seen it. Oh, it's true. We introduced him. No, the real project is the 918 that we are going to be wrapping the entire car in Avery Satin Pearl White. So Avo always wants to do something super unique, and this is going to be obviously the only one like this in Montreal. And with the wheels he's got coming, it's going to be the only one anywhere else. So guys, let's check it out. We're trying to do this entire car in one day. So it's not our typical color change. We didn't remove all the pieces on this. So yes, there's gonna be seams in certain areas, but he's only gonna be keeping the wrap on for 1 or 2 months. So we're still gonna do our best, and yeah, check it out. So this hood was actually missing about 4 inches, so it's a really huge hood. It actually almost 100 inches in material, 100 by 60. And we had to stretch it just to make sure it forms all the way around this area. Did a couple of inlays in there. Choi, he's working the door jambs, so we're actually gonna be wrapping the door jambs in here. And Raja, he's doing all the inlays right now for all the super hard to reach areas. So again, because we're not removing all the pieces, this is super important to make sure that we can get the full wrap done. Again, there's gonna be some seams in certain places, but I think it's gonna look really sick when it's done.
The white?
Yeah, why did you choose it?
Is he filming me? The white's sick. Has to be different, you know?
Has to be different. I agree.
Is that it?
I think that's it.
What's up guys, Tyler from Toyz here. Gonna start a little tour for you guys. First we got the StarTech Bentley 2020 with the V12. So full StarTech refinements, carbon fiber bits, StarTech wheels, StarTech exhaust. The car is brand new, ready to go. So if someone wants perfect luxurious beast, this is the one to go with. Our custom 1-of-1 Gucci Pista. The spec is probably one of the most, if not the most expensive coupe available. So everything fully custom from Ferrari. The only thing that's not from Ferrari are the wheels and the exhaust. This paint is about a $30,000 option just to get this paint. The carbon fiber, switching it from black to green, not adding carbon fiber, just changing the color, is about 40,000 US. Novatech wheels, Novatech exhaust, Novatech power upgrade, around 810 horsepower in this thing. Rocket. 720S, Incontinental racing exhaust, Vossen wheels, awesome. Not much to say about it, it's a fast car. Speedster, did some custom stuff on this with HRE, so we got the wheels to match the logos from the Heritage Speedster. We added that to this car. So yeah, the wheels match the logos. Full carbon fiber Tech Art kit around the car. Tech Art steering wheel, absolutely beautiful. And the guys at Top Wrap are gonna hook it up pretty soon with adding some racing stripes. We can't wait to see that happen. Here, Lusso, great family car. If you want a Ferrari that's a family car. A little funny, but it's awesome. It's a V8, so it's not the V12, so it's rear-wheel drive, so you can still have a lot of fun with it. Audi S6, nothing to say really, but it's an Audi S6. 850 horsepower Mustang GT350. We did a Pro Charger on it. Vossen wheels. Carbon fiber kit, absolutely amazing. AMG GTR Pro and the GT2 RS's, insane. This bad boy, 2010 Rolls Royce. This is not a wrap, this is actually a Grigio Titans paint, Lamborghini paint. Then we did a protection wrap on top of it, but this is the actual factory color. The interior was custom, fully done in royal blue. Only Rolls Royce with actual stitched interior. Another Rolls Royce drop head 2014, pretty awesome. 2 brand new RS Q8s. That one has a Capristo downpipe, so it sounds a little raw, a little awesome. 2 sets of wheels coming next week to decide which ones you want to go with. 24 inches is going to be insane. Our 918, not much to say about that. I mean, you guys already know what's going on with that. Nice little wrap coming. The 6x6 just got a Starlight roof liner on it. It's pretty insane. Like the Rolls Royce has those flickering stars, we got that too. We can do that to pretty much any car you want. That's pretty much it.
So the guys are making really good progress right now. We just did a game plan how we're going to be doing the rear bumper. Since all the carbon pieces are staying on the car, it's technically an obstacle that we have to maneuver around. So we have an idea what we're going to do. We'll show you guys later. But the guys are just finishing up, and then we're going to have lunchtime, and then after that it's crunch time. So I hope you guys are enjoying the progress so far. The longest part's actually the inlays right now, just doing all the little tiny detailing work. Wrapping it, I don't think it's gonna take that long, but getting inside, you know, all these little areas and making sure that it's all wrapped, this is what's taking more time than wrapping a huge panel like this. But super excited to see this done. Check out, we'll see you guys later. Yo, now what's for lunch?
Food, bro.
Food, bro.
Fucking Arush. Sick.
Ooh.
It's good.
Lunch courtesy of Avo. Yeah, where's the fried rice, man? There's the fried. Whoa.
Oh, the meal. Not trying to.
What I care about using my meal?
This is the bit.
That's a lot.
It's going
I'm not getting nothing. That's not even. It's gonna taste bad if I eat it.
Nah, too much. It's too sweet.
Guys, you want to eat or what?
I usually we don't eat until 6, so we're good. I'm just kidding. Because this is not coming off, we just want to make sure it gets full coverage. And we're just trying to put the seam in a nice place that doesn't like, it's not like just obvious we put a seam. We still want to hide it, but it's pretty complicated. Super deep recess area here. And plus there's a big piece here that's getting obstructed. So what I was saying, once we get here, because this is almost all flat, right? All this is gonna be flat. Yeah. So we're about to wrap the bumper right now. We're just degreasing all the edges, making sure, because it is a satin finish. Satin finishes are harder to stick on. They have less surface energy. Hey, David.
What's up, brother?
And so that's pretty much what's going on right now. And we're about to lay it down with Hugor and with Max. Okay, so take off the other. You're good. Just make sure it doesn't touch the tire. It's okay, because we're gonna stretch it anyways. Just lay it. It's good. But make sure it doesn't fold, yeah. Just make sure when we're gonna get near the opening, we're not gonna put too much tension, okay? You know what I mean? Because Hugo is gonna be swearing all types. All right, so it's 1:49. We got 4.5 hours left. Are you happy with it so far?
Yeah, it looks amazing.
You look amazing.
Look amazing.
Right behind me is the 918 that the entire team wrapped in one day in satin pearl white. So under this is actually the Expel Ultimate stealth film that we put on top of the original paint. So this thing is actually wrapped 2 times. We wrapped this entire thing in one day, and we're not supposed to reveal it because Avo's still waiting for the wheels to show up from Boston. So Boston, hurry up with those wheels so we can do the full reveal. We'll just show you guys some close-ups and see you guys in a bit.
Where's the wheels, Tyler?
Yeah, where are the wheels, Tyler? Why aren't you on them? Well, don't show. No, oh, this is HRE. Don't show them.